Hi viewers. Today we're making strawberry slushie. It is in fact a mixed berry slushie. We're going to use frozen strawberries, strawberry syrup, frozen raspberries, sugar. Lime is optional. Water. You might want to make your own strawberry syrup instead of buying it. It's quick and easy. Please see how I make my own strawberry syrup at home, in this channel. Now back to making mixed berry slushie. Dissolve sugar in water. Add strawberry syrup to the solution and mix. Slushes are usually very sweet. But how much sugar, water, and syrup you mix depends entirely on your desired taste. Pour your solution on ice cube trays and freeze. Some people use plain ice cubes to make slushie, adding syrup and sugar to the food processor. I prefer to freeze the sweet solution because the ice cubes turn out soft, while frozen water is very hard. Also freeze your berries. Now my frozen solution is looking frosty like this because the cubes are soft and nice to use. Bring your frozen berries as well. I'm going to start by processing strawberries because they're bigger and therefore harder. Then I will add raspberries and process for a short while. Then I add ice cubes and process. And voila! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.